Welcome back to my channel for next week Walgreens deals video. Thanks for joining me, and if you're joining us for the first time, I'd like to welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's check out these deals. The first deal I have will be on Colgate Dental Care. They're on sale for $4.50 or $5.50, and when you buy two, you get $4 register reward. Pick up one toothpaste and pick up one toothbrush or mouthwash at $4.50 each. Both will total $9. We have two different $2 coupons in our app. One will work on the toothpaste and the other one will work on either mouthwash or toothbrush. After the two coupons apply, it will drop it down to 5 and you get $4 register reward back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. And you can pay with register reward or Walgreen cash, but if you're using Walgreen cash to pay for this deal, make sure you're not using any spend booster. The next deal I have is when you buy two of the banana boat or Hawaiian tropic sun care, you get $4 register reward. Pick up two of the banana boat moisturizing sun lotion, priced at $8.99, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. That means the second one will be $4.50. These two will total $13.49. I have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, but according to the ad, we are getting a 4 off 2 digital coupon. But using the 5 off 2 I have, it will drop it down to $8.49 and you will get $4 register reward back, making both just $4.49 or $2.25 each. Next deal I have will be on Degree or Dove body spray or deodorant. They're on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy two, you get $2 register reward. Pick up 2 Degree body spray. I have a 5 off 2 only for you digital coupon, but according to the ad, we're supposed to receive a 4 off 2 coupon. But I will explain this deal with the 5 off 2 I have. Take off the 5 off 2, it will drop it down to $9 and you get $2 register reward back. And that will end up making them just $7 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have is on Dove or Dove Men Bad Care. They're on sale for $7 each, and when you buy two, you get back $3 register reward. Pick up 2 body wash and that will total $14. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9 and you get back $3 register reward. And that will end up making both just $6 or $3 each. You can use Walgreen cash to pay for this unless you're adding it to a spend booster. Another Dove deal you can do is to pick up 2 of the big bottles on sale for $10 each, and that will total $20. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $15 and you get 3 back, making both just $12 or $6 each. The next deal is on Olay body wash. They're on sale for $7 each, and when you buy 3, you get $5 register reward. Pick up 3 for a total of $21. On Sunday, check your app. We're supposed to receive a 5 off 3 coupon that will drop it down to $16 and you get 5 back, making all 3 just $11 or $3.67 each. The next deal I have is on Garnier Fructis or Whole Blend Hair Care. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you spend 10, you get $3 register reward. Pick up 3. The third one will cost $4. That means the total for the 3 items will be 12. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. It will drop it down to $9 and you get $3 register reward, making all 3 just $6 or $2 each. Next deal I have will be on Pampers diapers. They're on sale for 2 for $21, and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. Pick up 2 and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon that we'll receive on Sunday. That will drop it down to $18 and you get $3 back, making both just $15 or $7.50 each. If you need chic disposable razor or if you need a filler item for your spend booster, they're on sale for $6.99. It's not giving back any register reward or Walgreen cash, but according to the ad, we'll receive a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to just $3.99. We currently have a 5 off 2, but to use that coupon, you have to pick up 2. Another items that you can pick up that is not giving back register reward or Walgreen cash will be the Arm & Hammer laundry care. They're on sale for buy one get 2 free. Pick up 3 and pay $7.99 for all three, or $2.66 each. The next one I have will be on Dawn, Gain, Febreze, or Mr. Clean household products. They're on sale for 4 for $10. Pick up 4, pay the $10, making each one just $2.50 only. Next one I have in this video will be the Walgreen brand household products. They're on sale for just $1.99. Walgreen brand food storage bags on sale for buy one get two free, and they're on sale for $2.79. Pick up 3, pay the $2.79, and that will make each one just 93 cents. The next one I have is Kellogg cereal. They're on sale for 3 for $5.99. You can pick up 3 frosted flakes at 3 for $5.99. Pay that, making each one just $2. If you need bottled water, the 24-pack nice purified water on sale for 3 for $8. Pick up 3, pay the $8, making each one just $2.67. Next one I have will be on Doritos. They're on sale for 3 for $9. We have a 3 or 5 digital coupon, but you have to pick up 6 to do that deal. If you pick up 6, that will be $18. Taking off the $3, you pay $15, making each bag just $2.50. The next one I have will be on Nice Select Nuts. They're on sale for $2.98. This can be a good filler item if you're using a spend booster. The next one I have will be on 12-pack Canada Dry products. They're on sale for 3 for $11.99. Pick up 3 of the 12 packs. Check your app on Sunday, because according to the ad, we're supposed to receive a one-off 3, which will drop you down to $10.99 for all 3, or $3.66 each. The next one I have is the 8 or 12 pack Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper products. They're on sale for buy 2 get 2 free, and they are priced at $9.99. Pick up 4. That means you pay for 2 and you get 2 free. The 2 you're paying for will total $19.98. Pay that, making all 4 of them just $19.98. or $5 each. Last deal I have in this video will be on the 12-pack Pepsi products. They're on sale for 3 for $13.99. It's not giving back any register reward or Walgreen cash. Pick up 3, pay $13.99, making each one just $4.66 only. Another way you can do this deal is to combine the Doritos deal with this Pepsi deal. Pick up 3 of the Doritos at 3 for $9, and pick up 3 12-pack Pepsi products. The 6 items will total $22.99. We have the 3 or 5 digital coupon that you can use to drop it down to $19.99 for the 6 items, or $3.33 each. And this concludes my video for today. Don't forget to come back on Sunday to check what deals I actually picked up and how everything worked out. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.